Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman with another unboxing. This is the Steel HR from Nokia, and this is their new heart rate and activity watch, which has some digital display here for your heart rate, but mostly analog, and we'll be doing a full review coming up very soon on this. Now, I've got some disclaimers on this one. This came in free of charge from Nokia Health, who makes this device, and also they sponsored our social media content from CES 2018, but the review that we're going to do on this, including this unboxing, is not sponsored. They haven't watched this before it was posted, and all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. So let's open this thing up and see what we got here as we open the box up. A really nice presentation. And one of the things that attracted me to this product is the fact that it looks really nice. It doesn't look like a screen attached to your wrist like my Apple Watch here. It actually has some style to it, and it doesn't look all that large either. So it does have a little bit of a bubble here at the bottom, but it's not beyond what you might see with a normal kind of watch here. So this is the packaging. Let's see what's inside of all this stuff here. This is the charger. It charges with a wireless inductive charger here. So this magnetically attaches to the back of the watch to get it juiced up. And what they're telling me is that the battery life on this is like a good length of time. In fact, I think it's about a week or so, if not more. So you should be able to get through a full week with it, and it charges up pretty quickly. Of course, my Apple Watch, I got to charge it every night before I go to bed. So as a result, this watch might be better for doing full health tracking, including sleep tracking, because you can keep it on at night without killing the battery. So this is the watch here. It's got a kind of a rubber band to it, so it's got some elasticity to it. I'm sure it's going to be pretty comfortable for working out and everything, so we'll see what goes on there. I'm not sure if they have other bands available. I'll double check on that and let you know during the full review, but I kind of like the way it looks here. It doesn't look all that large. This is the 40 millimeter size. They also have a 36 millimeter. The 36 looks very similar to this, but it doesn't have the numbers on the metal here surrounding it there. So that's the big difference there. And this sells for $200 in this size. The smaller one is $179. The heart rate sensor is here at the bottom, which reads against your wrist like most of these other watches do. And the cool thing here is that your workout performance is measured by an analog dial. So what it's looking to do here is, rather than give you some kind of digital response to that, it's going to actually turn this little dial as you do all of your working out and walking and everything to see where you're at for your fitness goals. So we'll be, again, looking at all of that in the main review. So I'm going to get this thing booted up and experiment with it. And once I have a good understanding of it, we'll have a full review up on my main channel at lon.tv. But I really do like the way it looks, and we'll see if there's other band options as well. So stay tuned, a lot more to come on this. Again, lon.tv for the full review.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, Steve Blixt, Stanley Taub, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.